Hello, we're going to go over question 15 that appeared in the Higher GCSE paper 3 in June 2017. I recommend pausing the video after the question is shown so you can try it yourself, then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. This is question 15. We're given a triangle. We're also given the area of the triangle as 6 square root 2 metres squared. We're given two lengths in terms of x and an angle of 45 degrees. We're asked to calculate the value of x. Remember, you are allowed the formula sheet and it will be helpful for answering this question. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're told that the area of the triangle is 6 square root 2. We know that the area of the triangle is half the base times the height. We also know the area of the triangle is half AB sine C, where A and B are the lengths either side of the angle C. This is the formula that's going to help us answer this question. We can see from the triangle we're given, we have the two lengths either side of the angle 45 degrees. This means the 6 square root 2, which is the area of the triangle, is equal to half the product of the two lengths. So we've got x plus 3 times by 2x take away 1 times by sine of the angle 45. We'd like to calculate the value of x, which means we've got quite a bit of rearranging to do. The first thing that we can do is multiply both sides by 2. So 2 times 6 square root 2 will be 12 square root 2. When we multiply the right hand side by 2, this will cancel out with the half. We can also expand these brackets. We have x times 2x, which gives us 2x squared. We've got x times minus 1, which is take away x. We've got 3 times 2x, which is 6x. And we've also got 3 times minus 1. So we have minus 3. Sine 45 is also the same as 1 over square root 2. We can then multiply both sides by square root 2. When we multiply the left hand side by square root 2, we have a square root 2 times square root 2, which will give us 2. And when this is multiplied by the 12, we will have 24 on the left hand side. When we multiply the right hand side by square root 2, the square root 2 cancels out with this square root 2, leaving us with 2x squared, take away x, add 6x, take away 3. We now need to get all the terms onto the same side. So if we take away 24, then the left-hand side will become 0. We've still got the 2x squared on the right-hand side. We can simplify these two terms, negative x plus 6x. So we've got add 5x. And then negative 3, take away another 24, will give us negative 27. We now want to solve the quadratic. We can use the formula sheet to help us here by using the quadratic formula to solve for x. So here we have x is equal to negative b, our b is 5, so negative 5 plus or minus b squared, so b was 5, so we've got 5 squared, take away 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 27. And then all of that is square root. And this is all over 2 times a, which is 2. If we simplify these parts, we've got negative 5 plus or minus 5 squared is 25. And then we've got a negative times a negative. So this is going to become a positive. And 2 times 4 times 27 is 216. All over, we've got 2 times 2 is 4. If we pop that into the calculator, we will find that we get an answer of negative 5.13 or 2.63. If we return to look at the question, we can see that x plus 3 is a measurement. It has to be positive. If x is negative 5.13 and we add 3 to this, we will still have a negative amount, which isn't possible for a measurement. This means that the answer must be 2.63. So the final answer is x is equal to 2.63, which is given to 3 significant figures. If you get the final answer to be x is equal to 2.63, that would give you your full 5 marks. Otherwise, you might be able to collect some marks from your working out. The first mark is for pulling out the equation for finding the area of the triangle and putting in the correct values. The second mark is given for either equating this to 6 square root 2 or for expanding the brackets. A third mark is given for rearranging the formula so that it is in the quadratic form ax squared plus bx plus c equals d. A fourth mark is given for substituting the right values into the quadratic formula. And the final mark is for your final answer of x equals 2.63. I hope you found that helpful.